Hi everybody,
Hi.
I'm Jason.
And I'm Leanne.
So basically today we wanted to do everything we can to find a lake that the receptionist told us we could see the Aurora from. And so far we've basically we've basically gone down to one of the lakes. We found out that is still a lake that you can see it from, but the lake's frozen over, covered in snow. And what was the other one?
So unfortunately we wasn't able to see anything then. But there is another lake in the opposite direction, which we do have a map for. I've got the map.
Give me a second, I'll just find out about it.
Yeah. So we was gonna go today and find out, but because we're actually quite tired from this last walk, we're actually gonna do this walk tomorrow. And then hopefully we'll find the lake that been looking for. Yeah, I'll find it.
So I'll let her look for that. So basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna go on Wednesday, Friday.
Where to?
To this next lake.
To
the next lake.
Oh, tomorrow.
Right, so we're going to go and have a look tomorrow for this next lake, which I think we were heading towards anyway last time, because we was heading in the wrong direction to begin with, we thought. So far, as for the place that we're staying in, we've had a couple of problems, like the window handle is broken. The toilet moves if you just gently touch it. So we've asked for the reception to basically get someone to sort that out. We've had people coming in to tidy up, which we weren't too happy about because we wasn't actually told it was going to happen. We assumed because we've paid for this place, we would be we had to clean it ourselves. And then my partner basically went upstairs, and she come back down and asked if I'd made the beds. I said no. So we assume that someone's actually been in and obviously put those together. So weren't happy about that.
Going back to the map, so as you can see here, this is what the receptionist gave us. So this little blue dot here, just there, this blue round circle, this is where we are located at the moment. Now, earlier on, we went down to this lake just here. So we've gone from up here to down here. But now, the other lake that we are planning on trekking on is all the way up here. So, as you can see, it's the opposite direction. So, hopefully, this should be success.
But, to be honest, even even without basically seeing the Aurora at the moment, don't get me wrong, we are having an amazing time. Like, I've got videos at the moment of me jumping in the snow and falling down on a mountain. And,
yeah.
But we've had fun. The only one big thing is, like, we were told that we'd definitely see the Aurora. So that, to me, I have to see it before I go. Otherwise, to me, this holiday was a lie. As for you, I'm not sure. How are you finding it?
I think we will. I mean, again, it all depends on the weather. When we did speak to our rep, she said it was forecast for this Friday. So, fingers crossed, we see it.
2 seconds. What's the temperature outside?
It's minus 13 degrees outside.
There you go. As you can hear, it's minus 13 degrees outside. And it is only quarter to 8 at night here. Unfortunately, we don't get... This is one place that you don't really get the sun. what was it? We get about a couple of hours of light in total.
But you don't see the sun at all.
No, you just see the sort. You see a bit of ray, so like a bit of colouring and stuff like that, but
That's
not
it.
the actual sun. Which I kind of like actually. It just gives the whole place a nice atmosphere. Like I say, I'm not disagreeing with how much I paid for this place, the holiday in total. I paid. We've got our money's worth, but there's, like I say, when someone tells you you're definitely seeing Aurora, you want to be seeing that Aurora. That is because, especially if that's what you're paying to mainly come and see, that is your priority to see it. So if you are expecting to see an Aurora, because we saying that obviously we're coming to see an Aurora, do not expect it. Come here just for the beautiful scenery, the friendly chats. It's like everyone's friendly. It's like for earlier, we walked past someone and they said hello to us, and they didn't have to because they didn't know us, but they enjoyed the fact that they were happy enough, to just come over and say hello.
Just putting it out there for all the blokes out there with a moustache.
Really?
Because it's very cold, do expect little icicles coming off your moustache. It happened to him earlier.
Yes, so as you heard, I kind of was doing a video on my Facebook and I noticed that I started getting like pinpricks in my lips and I couldn't figure out what it was. And when I looked in the camera again, I had literally had icicles coming from my moustache, and it was quite funny actually, but yeah, so that's how cold it was. And
I had ice forming on my scarf, my woolly scarf.
Not just that.
And hat.
And on her hair, frozen. Her hair froze solid together. It took a while for it to actually heat up, didn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, and always make sure you wear the proper clothing. I cannot stress that too much, because I know a lot of people think, oh yeah, we can deal with the cold, that's fine, we can come out there and we'll be fine. We thought that. We've still got the proper clothes, don't get me wrong, we've got everything. Our biggest thing was the fact that we didn't wear the proper things sometimes, and honestly, just going out this door, you can tell, just opening this window, you can tell the coldness out there, and it's gonna snow again soon apparently. So if it does snow, we'll catch it on video for you. When anything you want, we'll catch for you. Just let us know in the comments below. If you like this video, please put a thumbs up for us. If you like it even more, subscribe. Anything you want to add?
Also, if you do decide to come and you're not doing it for the skiing, my advice will be to take ski trousers anyway, as they will be more beneficial than wearing normal trousers. You will find a lot of people that don't do skiing wear ski trousers anyway, because they are the warmest and comfiest things ever on your legs.
And just to elaborate on that as well, you don't have to have a thermal hat. You just have to have a comfortable... I'm not saying wear a cap. Don't wear a cap. That'd be silly. But wear like a woolly hat. Do you want to pass me? So like I brought this one over here. This is the type of hat I wear now over here. I'll probably wear it when I get back home. I always buy a hat every single time I go to somewhere. This is my hat for here.
Or you can wear something, just something basic.
Exactly.
Like that.
So please, please, please give us a thumbs up if you like the video. Please subscribe. We could do with the subscribes because we're just starting out. And comment in the comment section below if you want us to do anything else, or if there's a holiday you want us to go on. Actually, if there's a holiday you want us to go on, let us know and we'll see what we can do for you. Okay, that's it from Jason,
And that's all from me, Leah.
see you later.
Night.